Hello everyone, my name is Hadi and this is the first video of my channel, so welcome to my channel. I try my best to make this video as useful as possible. Okay, let's come back to the market and what we are going to say is about the market. So look at this chart. This is belong to 000151, this company. And what I'm going to speak about it today is about how to use the MA and how to adjust it to get the best result. So let's first look at what is MA and how we can use that. Okay, look at this chart. This chart, you can see it here, and I'm trying to make MA here, the MA 30, and let's change the style here. Stop the BB Bollinger Band. Okay, this is the default of the MA 9, and some people using MA5, some people use MA 10, some people use MA 20 or even 30. But the question is, what should be the best MA for one special stock? So let's take a closer look at the chart. Here, I will increase the MA. Here, the black line is the price of the stock, and the red line is the MA 9. And here I'm increasing the number of MA. So you can see that by each increase, how it changed. If I put it something like around, I think 40, for this part of the chart, MA 40 is the best. However, for the other part like here and the other parts like here, maybe it's not the best thing. So let's decrease it, and you can see it from here. By decreasing that, you can see it from here around 30. For this part, around 30 is the best. So the question is this, which MA is the best? And you know, some people try to use MA 20, some people try to use MA 10 or even MA 5. The question is this, which MA is the best? Let's come back to our chart. This chart, I make an Excel file from this chart. I mean that we have to extract out the data. So when you have a data, you can play with that. I export the data from the software into an Excel file, and then I imported it into the codes that I wrote it inside the MATLAB. So when I write and run my code here, I will run it, and then I will adjust it. Okay, probably I have to run it again here. Okay, and this one and this one. So it show me how different MA act in different part of the chart, and it helps me to find the best MA. So let's talk about each part. This is the first part. You can see that the first part of this company, the best MA is 5. Why the best MA is 5? Because it gives us 200%, more than 200% benefit. Literally, it means that my money will be triple. If I have, for example, 1,000 renminbi in 1,000 yuan in this stock, then if I use MA5 in the duration of 180 days in the last 6 months, so the MA5 in the last 6 months is the best for that, because it could increase my money 3 times. My 1,000 could be more than 3,000. So it gives me more than 200% of benefit. For another section of that, MA10 is the best. although the benefit is smaller, but for this section, I mean that we have different section of that. So we have to consider, for example, the last 2 years of the market, and consider each part of that, each segment of that, to find what should be the best MA. So here, for this segment, the MA10 is the best. Why? Because it gives me 150% money. Is literally, it means that my 1,000 renminbi could be 2,000 and half, 2,500. And look at the other part. In this part, the benefit is about 16%. It's not too much, but still is okay. At least I didn't lose the money. The best MA is 23, and for this one, I get 20%, and the best MA is 28. The best MA is 8. So here we have 3 MA, and the software also give me some recommendation like 11.5, but I have to remove this one because the MA23 is far away from the other MAs. So if I remove this one, I will have one MA5, one MA10, and one MA8. You know, it's not going to repeat. The market is not going to repeat exactly. What does it mean? It means that if in one market if in one section of the market I can get 200, in another part maybe I can get 100, or even in one part maybe I lose the money. So the thing is, we should find a good MA for a special condition, for a special stock, and then we find a good MA that works in the whole of the market, especially for that stock, in that special stock. So here I have to choose something between 5 to 10. I will choose 8 or 7. Probably 8 is okay. So I will use MA8. When I use MA8, it will be this one. This one said that in the last 15 months, 450 days means 15 months if each month equals to 30 days. So in the last 15 months, with the use of MA8, I can earn 236%. I mean that it's literally my money in the last 15 months using MA8 could be triple. If I have 1,000 in 1 year, a little more than 1 year, my money will be more than 3,000 renminbi. It will be 3 times. So this is especially for this stock. For each stock, we have to find a special MA for that. So I never seen any person use MA8 because they don't know how to adjust it. But I use computer analysis, I use deep learning, I use some statistical analysis to understand what should be the best MA. And how I calculate this money, I make my code very special to help me try. So based on that, when I click on here, so you can see that my code tell me that, for example, in date 9 the price is this, and in date 11 the price is this. So it tells me that I have to go out with 10% of lose. But another time in the date 18, 1 week after that, in this price I have to get in, and in this price I have to go out. So I will get 16%. This one will continue, and it show me exactly which date I have to get in and which date I have to get out. And based on all of that, it will tell me that the total average of my lose and gain is how much, which is exactly more than 200. So my money will be triple if I use MA8 for all this market. That's the way how to adjust it. So if you have any stock, and if you are working inside the market, you put lots of money inside one stock, and you want to maximize your gaining, you want to have more money. I mean that if you want to get that, so you have to find a way to adjust it. You can contact me, I will help you and tell you what should be the best MA for your special stock, and we will help you to get more. So stay with me and my channel. I will help you get more, lose less.